now. Point number 2, lock in, cut out distractions, it'll change your life. Locking in, cutting out distractions, and that's just like that's just like one part of it. But locking in, cutting out distractions, it'll be something that pushes you closer to where you want to be. Now, here's the thing. Some people don't know where they want to be. Well, you better find out real damn fast, because guess what? Things is going on out here, and they're going to keep going. All right? And it ain't going to wait for you to catch up.